Hi, my dear kids. Welcome to the class. Do you remember the story of Haldi and the giraffe? What was the name of the story? Yes, Haldi's Adventure. Do you remember the story? Story goes like this. One day, when Haldi was walking to the school, she suddenly met a giraffe with big glasses and a book in his hand. Haldi stares at him in surprise and says, "Sorry to stare, giraffe." Then says, "Let me rush, otherwise I'll be late to the school." Then giraffe tells that you won't be late if you ride on my back. You will feel you are flying to school. Giraffe again asks Haldi, "Will you go to school every day?" She replies, "Yes, I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And on Saturdays, I play games at school." While talking to her, Giraffe says, "Jump on my back." Haldi then jumped on Giraffe's back and sees many things from the top and reaches school playground so soon. Then she climbed down and turned back to thank the giraffe. At that time, she found that he had gone away. Haldi thinks, "What a wonderful adventure I have had." How was the story, children? Did you like it? Now, let me ask you some questions. Where was Haldi going? Answer: Haldi was walking towards school. Where was she going? Yes, she was walking towards school. Second question: why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? Haldi stared at the giraffe as the giraffe was wearing big glasses and holding a book in his hand. Third question: how did she reach school? How did she reach school, children? Yes, she reached school by jumping on the giraffe's back. Is it clear? Now, next one. Children, do you know rhyming words? Have you heard about rhyming words? What are rhyming words? They are words that ends in same sound. For example, rat, cat, bat, mat. Here you have some more. Dog, log, hen, pen, zip, dip. In your textbook, you have some rhyming words. Can you say aloud with me? Paddle, saddle, cradle, down, clown, sound, round, school, pool, rule, cool, tool. Here you have a poem. The name of the poem is The Paddling Pool. The poem is like this. Down by the river, on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. The grass is green and the water cool, and we stayed to play by the paddling pool. Down by the river, on the way to school. Here, the children are saying that down by the river, on their way to school, they have to pass a paddling pool. Paddling pool means artificial pool. A pool made by someone. And the grass is green. And they say that the water is cool. They stay there to play by the paddling pool. Near the paddling pool, they stayed to play. Down by the river on the way to school. Can you recite it along with me? The paddling pool. Down by the river on the way to school. We have to pass by the paddling pool. The grass is green and the water cool. And we stayed to play by the paddling pool. Down by the river on the way to school. Here in this poem, you can see some rhyming words that ends with same sound. Words that ends with same sound. Can you find out? First one I'll tell you. School, pool. Next, pass, grass. Water, river. Stay, play, way. Did you understand what are rhyming words? Now, can you find out by yourself some rhyming words? Can you tell me what can you see here? Yes, a boat. A boat is sailing, isn't it? So, boats sail. What are these? Yes, bells. And what action you can see here? Yes, ringing. So, bells ring. What can you see here? What are they doing? Children are playing. Children play. Here you can see a bird singing. So you can say birds sing. A bird is singing. What is the action word here? Sing. What can you see here? Yes, a dog is barking. So dogs bark. Action word will be bark. Now here you have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. In the bracket you can see some action words. Now can you fill these blanks with the words given in the bracket? In the bracket, sail, bark, sing, play, ring. First one, boats. Which action word comes here? Boats sail. So you will write there sail. Now dogs. Dogs bark. Next one, children. Which action word comes here? Children play. Then comes bells. Bells ring. Then comes birds. Which action word comes there? Yes, sing. Birds sing. Next one is write the names of the days of the week. You can begin with Sunday. Now can you say the days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next, Haldi wrote her name at school in this way. She made one mistake. What was it? Can you say what is the mistake? Yes, Haldi wrote her name beginning with small letter. Whenever you write a name, you have to write or you have to start with capital letter. Like this. Now, write your name correctly. In the given space, you have to write your name correctly. You have to start your name with capital letter. Next, Haldi wrote, I met a giraffe. She made two mistakes. What are they? Write Haldi's sentence correctly. Can you say what are the mistakes Haldi made here? Yes, Haldi started the sentence with a small letter. Whenever you start a sentence, you will start with capital letter. And also, the spelling of giraffe is written or started in small letter. You have to write it in capital letter. And also, whenever you write I as a single letter or a single word as a pronoun, you have to write capital letter. Our next exercise is, let's get ready for school. What do you do before going to school? Put Y for yes and N for no. Children, what you have to do is, you have to read the sentence given under each picture, or you have to just look the picture. First picture is have a bath. Will you take bath before going to school, or will you take bath to get ready to school? Yes, so you will write there Y. Next, climb a tree. Will you climb a tree before going to school? No, so you will write N. Play in the park. No. Comb your hair? Yes. Help to milk a cow. Before going to school, you may help your parents, isn't it? For that you can write yes. Feed the birds. No. Will you go to feed the birds? No. Now, did you understand the meaning of word before? Let me ask you, which letter comes before B? Before B. Yes, A. A comes before B. Now, can you say which number comes before 4? Number before 4. Yes, it's 3. Now, let's see after. After. In the given letters, which letter comes after D? After D. Yes, E. Yes, E comes after D. Now, in the given numbers, which number comes after 2? Yes, 3 comes after 2. Here you have fill in the blanks with before or after. You have to write before or after correctly in the space given. First sentence, dash eating food. I wash my hands. Here you can write both before and after because you will wash your hands before and after. So let's write here before. Next, dash reaching school. I sit in class. What you have to write there? Before or after? When you will sit in the class? You will sit in the class after reaching school, isn't it? So you will write after. Dash eating food, I wash my mouth. After, isn't it? After eating food, you will wash your mouth. So you will write there after. Next, dash reaching home, I do my homework. When will you do your homework? After reaching home, isn't it? After, when you come back from school, you will write your homework. So, after reaching home. Now, is it clear where to use before and where to use after? That's it, children. Let's stop today's class here. Be good, be safe. Thank you.